This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Follow-up question. The next follow-up question is, of course, we need to grow. So what do you do for your growth in your current environment? I meant to say, one is your day-to-day responsibility, and another is some other advanced thing you have to learn. Some is you have to solve the technical debt. We have a lot of technical debt. I want to do a lot of things, but of course, as you just mentioned, we have to prioritize things. We need to speak with the manager. They need to be on board with us. So what do you do to go forward, climb the ladder, use strategy? Either do you learn the new process procedure tools, or actually you come up with the reduce the technical debt in your current system of the environment? Or what else do you do if none of this you do, but something different?
Yeah, so basically we are a pretty dynamic team. So our team actually suggests learning on the way, or learning the way when we are trying to solve an issue or something. So we have multiple JIRA boards on this kind of stuff. So we always try to learn new things. We always try to do the knowledge sharing things as well. And then this always actually goes in parallel with the issue fixes. So we don't actually have like a support engineer thing. So everybody needs to do everything like sometimes. So let's say we have like right now my team is 8 members in the like infrastructure team. So what we do is we have, okay, these 2% will be responsible for the release, this 2% will be responsible for the platform engineering, this 2% will be responsible for the release and for the like deployment to the client. So these are the things that we categorized, but on a specific day, usually it's a Friday, we basically don't work on client projects. Okay, on that entire day we do the knowledge sharing things. Okay, so in our JIRA board we basically have a couple of lists of different new technologies that we haven't actually looked at. Okay, so we will look at it on the next Friday and try to find out if we can implement this tool on our system. Okay, so on the entire Friday, we basically spend 3 or 4 hours on a like video call and try to share our own experiences or our own thoughts on that specific tool. And one engineer will be on hot seat. They will actually go through the documentation of that specific project, and then we'll try to implement that solution or implement that project to see how we can fit this into our infrastructure. Okay, and what will be the outcome that we will get. So each week we basically try to go for one specific tool that is actually relevant with our infrastructure. So for example, like 2 weeks ago, what we did is we explored a new tool to upgrade our EKS clusters. Okay, so as of now, we used like EKS-CTL to upgrade our EKS clusters, and we had a new tool called EKS Upgrade that is actually coming from AWS. So that new tool actually has a lot more features than the EKS-CTL upgrade command. Okay, so we wanted to have a look at it. So rather than specifying a new person on it, we just wanted to have a knowledge sharing session for all of the members. So in Friday, we just had a hot seat. I was on the hot seat. So I just looked at the documentation and I said, okay, this is what we can do on the system. This is what we can do. And then some questions come in that, can we do this? Can we do this? And then I saw, okay, I didn't even think of this situation. So this is how we can actually like do the knowledge sharing and the stuffs. And in every week, we basically look at a newer tool that can actually improve our existing infrastructure, and then we just implement it on the next release or something. So this is how we kind of balance the thing. We don't learn new things separately. So we do things so that we can improve the infrastructure and improve us as well. So yeah, it's kind of like doing best of both worlds.
Thank you.